we are celebrating the 23rd year in a row. Unbroken Simple Session Estonia! Make some bloody noise!
BMX session at Freedom Square.
You know him, you love him, Boyd Hilder! Madness here on BMX, a big air.
Beautiful weather, got a little street jam going on. Sick.
It's my favorite one of the year, every year, you know. Never been about it. I love coming here. Estonia, it's the best.
Simple Session visitors, the heart of Simple Session. Make some bloody noise for BMX. Currently in first place, Jordan Godwin. Jarvis. Hang 5 whiplash. Absolute madness here.